When choosing the right supplier, we need to pay attention to the production stream. Welcome to our factory. It's an honor to be your tour guide to show you around. We have 6,000 square meters of production plant, advanced R&D, testing, and production equipment. The factory is equipped with 2 PCB assembly line, 4 product assembly line, and 1 high-power product pre-assembly line. The whole factory has more than 100 employees. We have an experienced technical team with over 10 engineers. This is the workshop for the production of PCB board. We select the high quality PCB raw material to ensure the product quality. After completing the initial test, we will conduct an agent test of the machine to improve the reliability of the product. After the agent test, we will do a second test. The parameters such as output voltage, frequency, and so on will be tested, and then the product will be packaged. Once the entire product process is complete, the product can be scheduled for shipment. Xindun is your reliable choice.